And Vermont, Utah, Colorado, or Cali, whatever the fuck we're in.
Vermont?
But anyway, we're in the middle of... Hey, bro, do you know where we are?
We're in Reno.
Okay, we're in Reno. You know we had to make a stop at the Jack in the Box.
What do you get, boy?
Damn, you're almost done.
I got a spicy chicken sandwich.
I think I got a double jack. That shit is a hit. We need this shit in Minnesota, I'm telling you right now. Oh. No way. Is that cool?
How's that as Ben? Ben Efron.
This school is massive.
This shit is bigger than Cato.
Damn near. Imagine having a lookout like that.
Oh my god. Having like detention, just look out the window, see that?
Damn, you can barely see food.
Up there, and then you walk down the stairs to eat in here.
You have to dance and sing.
Yeah, of course.
I want to get in the auditorium. Zac Efron was right there. Right there. That bitch smacked.
Back in Minneapolis now. I have not pulled up the camera since then.
Steve.
To get to our destination.
Go, Willie!
Merch y'all are jumping off of that. Bro, I am sorry, I am not jumping this.
We went to the quarries, right? We hopped in the line and it said a 3-hour wait to park. So we literally found a neighborhood. We hopped the fence and it was posted on the fence like no trespassing. Violators will get a ticket, blah, 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 blah. So we got tickets.
And that's what we're gonna do today.
We never learned.
I'm not feeling very welcome right now. This is a whole ass function, like somebody's birthday party.
As you can see to my right, wild white people just cruising in the habitat, but as you can tell, we're not very welcome because look at Devin.
We're the fucking wild UJ. Put him on the Barbie.
He said, look at him, now look at me.
All hail the roadmaster. Just wondering who the fuck thought that was cool.
That is not me.
Go ask it in slow motion.
I go for my jump, bro. But he said there'd be fat ass snapping turtles in here. So I said, fuck that, I'm out.
This chick behind me, she is like 12 years old and she is like wearing a thong swimsuit. Like, where are your parents?
Where's she looking at it though?
Steve.
I can't. It doesn't have any lisp in it.
Catch me, daddy. Moto likes me.
What is he doing? He said it's a rock. He said hanging off my earlobe is a rock.
Damn it.
No way!
How you doing, bro?
Give me a kiss.
You're welcome.
Everybody, shout out TJ. Link in the description. You want my car?
Wow.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I'm going to AZ again. I'm going to meet up with our guy, John and Jay. Congratulations, boys. They made it.
They finally got it. 3 different Best Buys. Got
You're welcome.
Got the. Because of me. Shout out, daddy.
Wow, this shit. Oh my god. I'm like looking at it now and shit.
It's intimidating as fuck.
Look, hold this bitch.
It's fun. Let me do some fucking dumbbell curls real quick.
Hi guys, my name is Jake here. I'm a vlogger too, but I do on TikTok. Dude, this hurts my arm, bro.
Bro, get that shit out of your mouth, bro. Come on.
Vaping's bad for you. Can I hit that real quick?
We just got to the Airbnb. Come on.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Right here, we probably got Jake's room because it's the smallest and he's also the smallest. Let's go. We got. Wow. Nice out of bathroom. Yeah. John's room. How would I explain this? Me and you were splitting the room vice versa. Oh my god. Wow. Beautiful bathroom. Yes, sir. Oh my god. How much better could this get? We have the vegetables. Nah, this beautiful ass fucking pool. We got that bitch 9 feet.
Yes, bro.
Wow. Little water fountain.
Oh, we got a
over
whole
there, feel me?
jacuzzi.
Oh my god.
Merchie said there was a grill.
And it was supposed to be right there.
What?
Leave my house, bro.
Oh shit. Fire ass living space.
Got fresh limes on the tree.
Merch!
Yeah, dude. Anyways, we got a whole 2-car garage. We got the kitchen. This is where all the freaky shit happens. Wow! Dumbass.
What is that?
Gotta go around the rim. Gotta go around the rim and everything, John.
We got it down to a science.
Nah, if you really want it down to a science, you take either your nose grease here or the one behind your ear and rub it in there. Watch this. Get this in here. It's a magic trick.
Just like that, baby.
Look at that bitch go away.
Oil from your face.
Wow! You believe it?
Tell him, boy. Tell him, boy. Yes, sir. Oh! What a beautiful pool. And he's the only one drinking.
This is all the alcohol for 2 days for me.
Bro, look, if y'all ever wonder what a TikToker looks like, it's right here. Look at him.
I'm an actor.
In my head, I don't know what you're thinking. Nailed to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you.
No way. Eventually, alcohol just almost hit their fucking head.
I'm living my life. I'm living my life.
Merch. Look at this shit. Look at how stupid this is. Get it.
Me and Luis would go to the gym, right? We'd hit our lift, we'd hit the hot tub. We would be literally telling each other, yo, we're gonna be going to other states, going to fucking hot tubs, enjoying life.
Yep.
Now we're
literally doing that.
Welcome to Arizona, bitches.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you haven't yet subscribe because the more people that subscribe, the better these videos get.
The more subscribers we have, the more crazy shit we do, the more places we go. So if you guys want to see some more, you better hit that subscribe button right now.
I know you're not doing anything better with your life.
Yeah, what he said.
Hey, where's the tool, bro? Teach everybody how to do a real shotgun. So, you gotta hear it crack a little bit. Get the tool.
Oh,
She a little bit of a squirter. It's alright.
Mom, grandma, aunts, whoever's watching this, I'm sorry.
Mom,
We're living life.
anyone else's mom, I'm sorry that I'm in your hut, but like,
To my mom watching,
I love you.
I love you. I love you, Mom.
no, you're
Ready? It's only for
Congrats on 20K. For me, congrats on 220K. 200K.
Hey, yo, merch.
Tell him what's up.
Merch was good with
ProjectSploosh, send it. Go jump to the fucking pool with all your clothes on right now. 3,
My hair is
2.
like, literally like,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, this is for y'all, man. No way!
Subscribe right now. Merch, yes, sir. Merch.